controlling this?
I'm sure. You get some steps. I'm showing you the bars too.
Perfect.
I'm just doing right in the corner.
Show them how big the table is. Perfect for a laptop or something.
Yeah, for a laptop or something. You have to spray one.
Okay,
You
ready?
have to screw two. You have to screw two. Go.
Ready?
Uh-huh. They're gonna love this video, right, Mama?
Yes, they will. All right, let me see. Show them how big I am. Let's see. All done.
Now what do I press?
Now here, let's just record it. Let's break it down for them in the video. Ready?
Okay. You only have
Breaking
like
it down.
55 seconds. You have 39 seconds. Now 40, 41. Okay, we have almost like enough of time to do it because when it gets to 50, it's gonna be over.
All right, press the button.
The round one?